How to mark as pending on Facebook Marketplace. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can mark as pending on your products on your Facebook listing on Marketplace. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up any of your web application and get logged into your Facebook account. As you do so, you will see Marketplace on your left-hand side. Click onto it. Then you will see this option that says Create New Listing. Now let's go ahead and click Open it. Then it will show you a list of all the things that you have added on your list. In order to mark as pending, go on to the three-dot icon just beside the Share option. And there you will see an option of Mark as Pending. Simply click onto it. And just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon.